Android Studio's appearance and behavior can be customized to your liking in many ways. Most of these changes can be made through a dialog that's named Settings on Windows and Linux and Preferences on Mac OS. You can get to this dialog from the Welcome screen by going to the Configure menu and choosing either Preferences or Settings. Or if you already have a project open, you can get to the dialog on Mac by going to the Android Studio menu and choosing Preferences, or on Windows by going to File and then Settings. This dialog is carved up into categories. Under Appearance and Behavior, you could, for example, change your theme from light to what's known as Darkula. When I choose that and click Apply, the entire screen goes dark, and then I can switch back to the light look and click Apply again. You can also use a custom font throughout the interface, but note that that does not control the editor font. That's controlled somewhere else. Under Menus and Toolbars, you can reorganize how your menus appear. Under System Settings, you have access to password storage, system updates, which I showed previously, and memory settings, where you can control the amount of memory that's allocated to Android Studio. The Key Map category allows you to remap keyboard shortcuts to various actions in the interface. Under Editor, there is a General section, and very importantly, the font, where you can adjust the size, typeface, and line spacing in your editor environment. You can control the color scheme for various languages, manage the code style, indicating, for example, tabulation and other formatting options for various languages. And down here, there are categories for version control. This is where you would set up Git and GitHub, for example. Various options for building and executing your applications, and then specific categories for various languages. For example, if you wanted to look for an update to the Kotlin plugin, you would go here to Kotlin under Languages and Frameworks, and then check for the latest stable version. I recommend exploring this dialog and trying out some of the options so you can make Android Studio look and behave the way you want it to.